to stream on YouTube in 5 minutes using Streamlabs OBS. I'm here to teach you the method from start to finish, how to get in there immediately. Get straight into this. Alright, so first off, what you gotta do is you gotta download Streamlabs right here, okay? Download it, install it, open it up. I'll leave links to this in the description down below, just to make it a little easier for you as well. So just open it up, and then what you gotta do is you gotta log in, and then the bottom left, hit this button right here to connect your YouTube account, okay? And I'm gonna pause this real quick so I can log in without showing you my email. Okay, and we're good to go. This is what should show up without, you know, all this mini feed. I'm assuming. So if you're gonna be streaming, obviously you're probably gonna need a webcam. So, you know, add in your video capture device, add that source in, and this is what should show up for the default one for my second webcam right here. So I kind of, you know, if you're streaming games, you could keep it at this, or if you're streaming like your whole self, do the custom one and then change resolution to whatever matches your monitor resolution. So mine is 1920 by 1080, and actually it's actually better to do this way, and then just scale it down, and then if you want to like move it to the side, you can do that like that. And so for the game that I'm gonna be adding into this one is I'm gonna add Minesweeper. So 3 methods for what you can add for games is you can use the window capture, you can use the display capture, which is basically just, you know, whatever is on the screen. It captures the entire screen, the entire monitor, or you can do game capture. I recommend doing game capture for like the, you know, the actual like games like League of Legends, Fortnite, all that stuff, to where it's just like full screen. That way you'll have the least amount of lag with it, okay? But for Minesweeper, doesn't the game capture doesn't capture it, so we'll do window capture for it. And so just find it in the list down here, Minesweeper X, because I don't want to pay for the actual regular Minesweeper, because who wants to actually pay for Minesweeper, you know? Not for me. Alright, and then one other thing, crucial, the alert box. This is where you'll get like the follows, the donations, or I guess subscribers, if you know, if you stream on YouTube. Yeah. And so we can just test that right quick right here by testing widgets at the bottom button right here. So whenever someone subscribes to the channel, bless up. If you have a feature where, you know, someone like actually it's like for like partnered YouTubers where you can like have a subscription service, kind of like Twitch. You do this one, becoming a member of the channel. Donations and super chats are when like they donate with a message in it. And so after that, you click go live, and this is where you create the events. So let's say Minesweeper Genius coming up, and in the description you put whatever you want here. You know, I recommend you make the first line in it something catchy too. So Minesweeper, if I fail, I eat a lemon or something like that. Okay. And so then after that, you can just confirm it and go live. One more thing actually is, if you don't have like the streaming thing already enabled for your channel, you'll probably have this to show up. So it takes 24 hours to activate your account for live streaming. Once activated, you can go live instantly. And so this just happens when you click live, go live for the first time. I guess this is to make sure that you're not going to be streaming something nasty, raunchy, not TOS for YouTube, okay? And you just confirm and go live, and let's see, your stream will start shortly. You can close this window, waiting for you to receive this video signal. And let's go back to YouTube, and let's go live, and let's see what shows up for here as this is working it in. It should show up here as well. Is it manage? Minesweeper Genius is upcoming, so let's check it out. Let's click it, and I think now we are officially live on this. Okay, so yep, we're live 100%. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped you, you know, with all the, it's very simple. I'm trying to keep it under 5 minutes, and yeah, thanks for watching. Really hope this helped you a lot. Make sure you subscribe to me for more future stream tips, tricks, guides, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you in this video. Right, let's live.